Did you know the RC model is a miniature version of the real racing car? It has the same mechanical principle as the real car, same suspension and acceleration. The RC model can be assembled, modified, and any parts on the car can be replaced and repaired. Now this car runs on 4076 3-way brushless and sensorless motor, 4-pole design and 12-slot starter, providing unbelievable torque. 4076 motor, the 40 means the stator diameter, 76 mm length, and the Y stands for the star type of winding. The max amperes of the motor is 108 and the maximum voltage is 26, so it's equal to the 2808 watts. Double 25C 4000 mAh battery running on this crazy car, and driving time it's about plus minus 30 minutes. 2.4 GHz radio control transmitter. It can be used for electronic and nitro vehicle. Working power of common 4 alkaline battery or rechargeable battery. I have recently gotten into the hobby of RC cars, and at first I didn't know too much about, and also I did not realize that the RC car is serious things, and that is why I crashed it after 5 minutes of playing. Really fast speed, powerful motor, great suspension, strong brakes makes this car an amazing toy for adults. If you would like to purchase the RC car from our website, I am suggesting you to get also some optional upgrade parts. I think the most important parts that you should have in reserve is called steering cups, which I broke it twice when I was learning how to drive. After, when I got used to it, finally I enjoy the playing with the car. The maximum speed is about 42 km per hour. Strong horsepower motor and the 4-wheel drive providing power torque make the car easier to complete difficult moves. This truck has no fear of sandy beach, grasslands, rugged stone mountain road or wetlands. No matter what kind of land, you will have the fun of driving around. That's all for today. I share with you guys my thoughts and understanding of the RC car. Please leave me the likes and comment the video. Until then, see you next time.